So, three things I love about my AirPods Pro. So, first of all, how comfy they are. I mean, these ear tips are just top notch. You've got them on different sizes. Right now, here is the M size. I don't know if you can appreciate it, but you've got the L, XL, and it's pretty much amazing. Super comfy, super easy to use. Secondly, I would say the best thing about the AirPods are just how that are actually not many AirPods with the quality sound of these AirPods. I mean, when you put the cancellation noise system and you put the music on, it's just amazing. You can't hear anything else but the AirPods. And thirdly, I would say the best thing is the wireless charger. So you just put it wherever you want that has a wireless charging mechanism, and it's just amazing to just leave your iPhone and your actual AirPods and just have them charging without needing to plug them in. Those are three things which I pretty love. The fourth one, as an extra, I would say, is the actual battery. Yeah, I many times said it would be better if they had 12 or 15 hours of autonomy, but 6 hours is still a lot. It is true that the cancellation noise system consumes a little bit of energy, but 6 hours pretty much standard for the actual quality of sound you get. Let me know in the comments what you think.